Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one important chapter that you should prepare for your NEET exams, that is atomic structure. Why do I say this is important? Because every year you get one question and this is a chapter that you should be prepared irrespective of the number of questions you get. Okay, this is one basic chapter in first year that you should be prepared with. Okay, let us see what areas to focus in this chapter. You should be thorough with atomic number, mass number, wave nature of flight, quantum theory of radiation, then Bohr's model, de Broglie relationship, then Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, then quantum mechanical model of an atom, then quantum numbers. Quantum numbers is an area where you get questions frequently, so be thorough with that area. Shapes of orbits also, so that area also you get questions frequently. Then rules for filling electrons in orbitals. This is also another important area where you get questions. Then electronic configuration of atoms, stability of half-filled and completely filled orbitals. Okay, so these are areas that you should be thorough with. Okay, so let us see how questions were over the last 3 years, or in which part you get questions. Okay, so this is a basic chapter, so I advise everyone to be prepared with this chapter. Every year you get one question from this chapter. In 2018 you had one question in quantum mechanical theory. It was an easy question, and 2019 you had one question from hydrogen spectrum, and this was also an easy question. 2020 you had one question to find the number of protons, neutrons and electrons. This was also an easy question. Generally how questions are from this chapter is, it is either NCERT, directly from NCERT, or NCERT based. Okay, so it is not out of NCERT from this chapter. So it is enough if you prepare with the concepts of NCERT and practice with the questions from NCERT and NCERT exemplar for this chapter. Okay, get prepared. Do watch my videos and subscribe to have updates on important chapters and other instructions that you require to know for your NEET exams. Thank you.